Hey guys, I'm Mike. This is the daily clip of the week. I'm going to be playing this song yesterday, while at the same time having hiccups. Hopefully they'll go away halfway through the song, but we'll find out. Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks as though they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I said something wrong. Now I long for yesterday. Yesterday, love was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I said something wrong. Now I long for yesterday. Didn't go too bad. Terrible fear of hiccups throughout the entire song, but whatever, it's the best you're gonna get. So see you guys later. Take it easy. Have a good one.